Hi, it's Phil from Infinity Innovations again with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to reset your Wi-Fi. So if you've ever gone from one company to another with your broadband suppliers, I'm going to show you how you would change this. I will give you one quick tip though. If you change your broadband provider, so let's say for instance we go from EE to BT or vice versa, what you can do is log into your new router and copy the SSID or the network name and the password of your previous router, and it will make sure that all your devices in your house gets paired straight away because it's using the same details. If you don't know how to do this, quite simply you will have to repair all your devices because it will be a new network name and a new password. We need to go into local settings and you would select the device that you want to reset. So let's just use the inverter for now. So this will be via Bluetooth, and it gives you that symbol there to say it's Bluetooth. So it's a single phase inverter which we want to go into, and then we need to go into basic setup. Now in basic setup, what you're seeing here could be slightly different to what you will see on yours. It's just the account that I have, that's all, don't worry about that. But you will have access to clear Wi-Fi password. You just click on clear Wi-Fi and then click on the blue button again to clear the Wi-Fi, and it will ask you again as a prompt, are you sure you want to go ahead and do this? If this is the action you want to do, you always click yes. If it's not the action that you want to do, please come back out of the menu, which is this menu here. That's how you would reset the Wi-Fi back to scratch. So when you go onto your home page, at the top right hand corner you will have a plus symbol, and we need to add device. This is where you would then log in to log the device of what's available to your new network. If you want to check your Wi-Fi settings, it's in the top right hand corner. All you've got to do is make sure the network name is right and the password you enter is case sensitive on everything that you put in there. Any anomalies, the system will come up and say it will not connect, or it will give you an error, and it's because you've mistyped something or you've not put it as case sensitive. Thank you very much. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions, get in contact with your installation team, or do look at some new videos that we post on YouTube under Infinity Innovations. Thank you.